Hello everyone, today's build is a toolbox cabinet, so let's grab our tools and begin. Let's start by taking a 2x3x2 cupboard, and we want to place 4 black 1x1 studs on the bottom 4 corners. Next, flip that cupboard over and place a 1x2 plate in the vertical middle position. Then we want to take the 4 1x1 open O-clip plates and place each one onto the cupboard with the clips facing an outer position like so. Take that second cupboard and place that right on top. Then place the 2x3 black tile on top of the cupboard. Grab the 2x3x2 cupboard door and snap that onto the bottom cupboard. And then finally take the 2 cupboard drawers and slide those into the top cupboard. Now that our cabinet is complete, grab your tools and snap your favorites into the left and right side clips. Then place some into the bottom cabinet, and a few in the drawers and some on top. And that completes our build for today. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.